Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous tutorial. We are going to look at getters and setters. We use it in object. Let me create an object first with two properties, const, student. And our first property is going to be student first name. Student first name. Let's say Jane and comma, and student last name, let's say Doe and comma. And let's create a function in the object to display full name of the student. We will use ES6 version style in this example while creating function. Student full name, curly braces. We don't need to add function here as we did before. This is ES6 version. And let's return full name, return backtick, $, curly brace, student first name, and $, curly brace, let me get it down, and student last name, and semicolon. And let's call our method console log student and student full name and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see our student full name. If you want, you can use another method to return student full name. Let me comment it out. Then return student first name plus, you can put quote and space, and plus, let me get it down, student last name and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see the same result. It is up to you. You can use both of them. I'm going to use first one in this tutorial. Let's save it and have a look at it. We see first name and last name. If you want to get that though next to J, you just need to get them up. And let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, first name and last name in line. So we see student full name, but how about if we want to change one of value of property? At the moment it is just read only. So you can't make any changes now. Therefore, we need getters and setters. We access properties with getters and change value of them with setters. Let's make our method getter. We just need to add get here. And now we will able to access full student name like a property. Let me comment it out, that one. Console log student full name and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we see full name of the student. As you notice, we don't need to call the method because we use get. Let's add setter now. We need to put comma here and set student full name. And we are going to pass a value. So we need to use a parameter here. Let's say value and curly braces. Our aim is changing full name of the student, right? So our code is going to be outside of object. Let's put our new value here, student full name, and value is, let's say, David Brown and semicolon. As you see, we have two text. One of them is name and the other one is last name, and there is a space between it. This is new value of our student full name. We are going to split it in our setter and assign first part as a first name of student and second part is going to be last name of the student. At the moment we are passing whole text to the value and we will split in our setter. Const full text equal value, it means that one. You can assign any name you want, and split. Split is one of JavaScript method. Then quotes and space. We want to split our full text according to space. So it's going to take that one and then split it, and it's going to take the other one. So we are creating an array in this way, and semicolon. This student first name equal full text 0 and semicolon. It means we are taking first part of our array. 0 in the square brackets are representing first value of our array, and first value of array is first part of full text. It means our array actually is going to be like this: full text David, Brown, and semicolon. After splitting our value here, we will have sort of array. So our first array value is that one. It means 0. So it's going to be our first name of our student. And second one is going to last name our student. And we need to add this student last name equal full text 1 because we need to have that one. As you remember, 0 is representing first value of our array and 1 is representing second value of array. Let me comment it out, that one, and let's call our object now. Let me comment them out and console log student and semicolon. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see, guys, we see our new value. It means a getter. You just need to click it. David Brown. So our name has changed because of our set. We will have different example in our future tutorials about that subject too. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.